Recently, a new app called Gemini, part of Google's artificial intelligence service, has started showing up on many phones automatically, even if users didn't request it. For some, Gemini feels like a handy tool. But many people prefer more privacy and control, especially if they don't use smart assistant features at all. That's why in this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to completely disable Gemini on your device. Don't worry, no third-party apps are required. Everything will be done directly from your phone's official settings in a clear and safe way. Step 1. Disable the Gemini app. Go to Settings, Apps. Use the search icon at the top and type Gemini. Open the app, then tap Disable. If the uninstall option appears, you can use it, but in most cases it won't be available. Disabling is enough for now. Now many people stop here and think they're done. But the truth is, Gemini has its features spread across different parts of the system. Even if the app looks disabled, some functions may still keep running quietly in the background. That's why the next steps are very important. Step 2. Turn off screen context. Gemini has a feature called Screen Context that scans the text and images on your screen to give suggestions. To disable it, open the Google app, tap your profile picture, Settings, Gemini, Screen Context. Now turn off both options, Analyze text on screen and Analyze images on screen. Step 3. Disable Gemini on the lock screen. This feature lets Gemini activate directly from your lock screen, either with voice or a button. To turn it off, open the Google app, tap your profile picture, Settings, Gemini, Gemini on lock screen. Switch off. Use Gemini without unlocking the device. Step 4. Stop Gemini from replacing Google Assistant. Still inside the Google app, go to Profile Picture, Settings, Gemini, Google Assistant features in Gemini. Turn this setting off. Step 5. Switch back to Google Assistant. Finally, make sure Google Assistant is your main digital assistant instead of Gemini. Open the Google app, tap your profile picture, Settings, Gemini, Digital Assistant from Google. Select and enable Google Assistant. And that's it. You've now fully disabled Gemini from your device. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Did Gemini show up on your phone automatically? After disabling it, did you notice your phone running faster or smoother? Do you think Google should leave features like this optional instead of turning them on by default? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'll be reading them. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future guides like this. See you in the next video.